Spotify playlist. In doing this, just go into your Spotify account, type in the song that you want. I typed in song I want. Billie Eilish, Everything I Wanted happened to pop up, and okay, I'll add that to my playlist. Go ahead and hit play on this. And down at the bottom where it's scrolling across, there's 3 dots up at the very top right corner. If you go ahead and click on those 3 dots, it'll ask you to add this to a playlist or create one. So I have actually created a playlist and I added this song to it. And how you add additional songs to your Garmin and Spotify is you would want to go and sync the Garmin again. Also, holding that middle button, scroll down on your Garmin and update your Garmin. I hope this helps a lot. Thanks for watching. Give me some comments if I can help you work through a little bit more. Thank you very much.